Hello everyone, welcome to my lecture. Here in this lecture I have selected three different forms, first, second and third. How can you find out the answer of all those questions which lies in this form? A form to lies for a question like or calendar integration for us. Some questions are there in your miscellaneous exercise of NCERT, but hints is not given anywhere. But remember that all those questions pattern one maintain one specific pattern. So now I'm going to discuss about the pattern only. Just listen carefully. Okay. So first of all, just go to the patterns, go to the forms, where in all those three cases the denominator contains the expression of sin and cos, where a and b are constant quantities and it is stated a should not be equal to 0 as well as b should not be equal to 0 simultaneously. That means a or b ketiyao 0 hobo noribo. That means any expression which contains sin and cos will be there in the denominator, and if the numerator contains maybe sin x, maybe cos x, or maybe a combination of sin and cos. Remember, p and q are constant quantities and at least one of them is non-zero. Kunubata non-zero hobo lage. Duita non-zero to kothai nai, but at least one of them should be non-zero. Remember. So tarmane ki kotha denominator sin or cos or expression thakibo lagibo, and numerator should contain either exactly sin. So sin you are getting sin means q is equal to 0, you are getting cos means p is equal to 0, and if p and q are not equal to 0, then you are getting this equation. So now how can you find it out? The specific pattern is that to find out the answer of that type of question, you have to follow this one. What is this? Numerator, n is numerator. Numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into b of differentiation of the denominator. A into denominator plus b into differentiation of the denominator. What is a and b? That means in place of numerator, just like as rational function, তোমালোকে rational partial function method to kori, partial fraction method to kori aisa. So আমি partial fraction method jeneke abc use koru. Here also the numerator will be expressed with the another expression. Just like as numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into differentiation of the denominator. Are you getting my point? Then what is a and b? A and b are any constant quantity. We will try to find out the value of a and b. ঠিক আছে, আমি দুই ফালৰ a আৰু b ভ্যালু আমি ইকুৱেট কৰি আমি সিম্পলিফাই কৰি দিম। So let us consider one example for this, then you will get my idea in a better way. তোমালোকে আইডিয়াটো প্ৰপাৰলি দিতে পাবা। So আমি কি কৰিছো, মই শৰ্ট ফৰ্মত লিখি দেখাইছো। What is this? A into denominator, I have written denominator plus b into differentiation of denominator. This is the procedure. So let us consider one question from, suppose I is equal to, it is written there, 2 sin theta plus cos theta divided by 7 sin theta minus 5 cos theta d theta. Suppose you want to find out the answer of this question only. Okay, very simple procedure is this, just listen carefully. So out of these three types, this question lies in which one? Like obviously the first one. What is the value of p here? 2. What is the value of q? 1. What is the value of a? Sin. What is the value of b? Minus 5. So what will be the first step to find out the answer of the integration of this type of question? That means we can easily write down let. You have to consider as let. Numerator is equal to, that means 2 sin theta plus cos theta is equal to a into the denominator. What is the denominator here? 7 sin theta minus 5 cos theta plus b into differentiation of the denominator. Differentiation of the denominator means we try to find the differentiation of this one. 7 sin theta. What is the derivative of 7 sin theta? Obviously 7 cos theta. Am I correct? And what is the derivative of minus 5 sin theta? Differentiation of cos theta is equal to minus sin theta. So minus minus plus. So obviously plus 5 sin theta. I hope you are getting my point. What I have done, numerator is equal to a into denominator. Directly you have to write the denominator plus b into differentiation of the denominator. What is the differentiation value? 7 cos theta plus 5 sin theta. Because differentiation of cos theta is minus sin. So minus minus plus 5 theta. So now I think you can easily simplify. So if I will take sin theta common, So it will be 7a plus 5b. Because directly you can easily simplify. More, that means you have to open the bracket. Bracket to open korila. Bracket to open korila, just take sin theta common. Then plus cos theta you have to take common. Take cos theta common. Cos theta common, it will be minus 5a plus 7b. So what is there on the left hand side? 2 sin theta plus cos theta. Now you can easily equate. That means as equal sign is there, so that means the term which lies on the right hand side is exactly equal to the term which lies on the left hand side. That means this expression is exactly equal to this one. Equating. That means as you have to find that one guess what? A or B value ulga our main aim was. Our main aim is A or B value find out for us. So now equating, we have 7a plus 5b. 7a plus 5b is equal to what? 2. Because this is the coefficient of what? Sin theta. What is the coefficient of sin theta here? 2. That's why 7a plus 5b is equal to 2. Again, suppose you have to mark it as equation number 1. But equation number 1 very well. Suppose this one is 2. Again, what is the value of minus 5a plus 7b? This is the coefficient of cos. What is the coefficient of cos here? 1. So this one is equal to 1. Equation number 3. I think now you can see how many equations you have got. 2 equations, equation number 2 and equation number 3. Solving these 2 equations, you will get the value of a and b respectively. তোমালোকে a আৰু b value পাই যাবা। Solve কৰিলে পাই যাবা। ভালকে চোৱা, solve কৰিব easily পাৰিবা। So now solving this equation, okay. So we have directly we can easily write down. Solving this equation, we have a is equal to 9 by 14, 9 by 74, and b is equal to 17 by 74. That means we have got the value of a and b exactly. What is the value of a? That means you can use any method, elimination method, substitution method, cross multiplication method, any method you can use to find out the value. So after having the simplification, we have a is equal to 9 by 74 and b is equal to 17 by 74. That means you have got the exact value of the 2 unknown variables that you have used. তোমালোকে যেটা unknown quantity use কৰিছা তাৰ exact value পাই গৈছা. So now putting the values of a and b here in the equation number 1. So আমি equation number 1 যদি put কৰিলো, that means after listen step carefully. First of all, numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into difference number denominator. Then simplify and equating the value, equaling both sides, you have got 2 equations. Solve these 2 equations, you will get the value of a and b. After getting the value of a and b, you have to put it here. So directly write down 1 implies. In the next step, what you write down? 1 implies. So what is the value of a? 9 by 74, and b is equal to 17 by 74. So that means we are getting exact equal expression. তার মানে কি গম পালা? This expression is equal to that one only. তার মানে in place of the expression 2 sin theta plus cos theta, we can easily put it here. So therefore, I is equal to what? I is equal to, that means in place of 2 sin theta plus cos theta, I am going to put the value 9 by 74, 7 sin theta minus 5 cos theta plus 17 by 74, 7 cos theta plus 5 sin theta. Okay, so what is the denominator? 7 sin theta minus 5 cos theta d theta. So how many terms are there in the denominator? You can say that one term is there. It is a combination of 2 terms. And numerator is eta দুটা. So আমি সেপারেটলি ডিভাইড কৰাৰ পসিবিলিটি আছে। এটো ডিভাইড কৰিম, তোমালোকে সব সেম আইছে সব। এটো ডিভাইড কৰিম আৰু এটো ডিভাইড কৰিম। Okay, so dividing the terms of the numerator independently by the denominator যদি আমি numerator থকা প্ৰত্যেকক যদি independently divide কৰো, then what we have? আমি কি পাম? মই বাৰ ইয়াতে দেখাই দিছো। Okay, dividing each term by the, okay, so it will be 9 by 74. First term will be a2 is divide for a2 to cancel the word, so 9 by 74 plus 17 by 74. What it will be here? 7 cos theta plus 5 sin theta divided by 7 sin theta plus 5 cos theta. Oh sorry, minus 5 cos theta d theta. Are you getting my point? মই কি কৰিলো a টাৰ্মটো কে ডিভাইড কৰিলো this one cancel 9 by 74 plus 17 by 74 equal to this one. Now we have to find the integration of this question. This one is a constant quantity, so obviously 80 step for মই ইয়ালে গুছি আহিছো. So what will be the expression? So 9 by 74 integration of d theta plus 17 by 74 integration of 7 cos theta plus 5 sin theta. This one is 7 sin theta minus 5 cos theta d theta. So listen, what we have got explained. So if you observe carefully, the integration of d theta is equal to theta. So 7 by 9 by 74 theta plus 17 by 74. Eta kothata bhuniba. Bahut bar moi already koisu. Then whenever any expression you will get which contains sin and cos in the numerator as well as in the denominator, then obviously there is a possibility that the derivative of the numerator is equal to the derivative or is the differentiation of the denominator. Oh no, differentiation of the denominator is equal to numerator. তাহলে যেটা sin আর cos এর numerator denominator expression পাবা তেতিয়া maximum possibility থাকে যে denominator differentiate কৰিলে numerator টো পোৱা যায়. That means we can easily think about the formula. Are you getting my point? So what is the value of this one expression? Add this. Now observe carefully. What is the derivative of sin theta? 7 sin theta is equal to 7 cos theta. Derivative of 7 sin theta equals 7 cos theta. And minus 5 it will be there. So 7 sin theta minus 5. What is the derivative of cos theta? Minus sin theta. This is minus minus plus 7 cos sin theta plus 7 cos theta plus 5 sin theta. This is nothing but the numerator. That means we can easily think about the formula. That means the numerator is the derivative of the denominator. Yard differentiate kore tomalke etu paisa. So what is the answer? Log of the denominator. Am I correct? So log of the denominator 7 sin theta minus 5 cos theta plus c. Very simple procedure. So in all those three cases you can easily think about the application of all those formulas. So what are the main specific properties? First of all, the denominator contains expression of sin and cos both. Duita sin and cos expression thakibo lagibo kotha ka mon kora. And the numerator contains maybe sin, maybe cos, maybe sin and cos both. In all those cases, what is the main formula? Numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into differentiation of the denominator. So applying all those formulas, you will get an expression. Try to simplify in such a way that you will get a value of a and b. Do the equation power equate kori bini. Mono nai positive video to remind kori loiba ever sai loa. Tar pisote ami a ar b value power pisote equation number 1 put korim. Then we will try to get that. আর মন করবা ফার্স্ট হলো এর কারণে হবে সেকেন্ড টু এর কারণেই পাবা log of the denominator always. Okay, thank you so much for listening and try to find out all those questions which are there in your miscellaneous exercise of NCERT textbook. Thank you so much.